What is good, party peeps? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the party. I see that you did not get bounced out, but if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you are always in attendance to any future way. Okay? All right. I am doing some blinged out nails that kind of remind me of Sailor Moon, and I'm starting with my baby cart. Y'all already know how bad me and Macart go together, so I'm using their peel off base coat, and also I'm using Honey Fam, or also Nails by Honey on Instagram, nail forms, because these are some of the sturdiest nail forms. I love them. They're cute and they're long. So yeah, I'm going ahead and popping those bad boys onto my nails, and we are making the pinky the stiletto because YOLO. We're gonna have some fun today, okay? I also went ahead and made my index finger a stiletto as well. That way my pinky did not feel left out. All right. Okay. So one of the stars of the show is the odorless Koopa monomer and some odor out in the strawberry scent, and also some inks. That way I can tint this monomer because I'm using some white sparkly acrylic. It is called Excite Me from Valentino, and I wanted to have like a little tinge of blue. You see that? Cute, right? All right, so I'm just patting it down, laying it out, and I'm using a size number 8 brush here. I would suggest using a size 14, but for whatever reason, I did not have like much control over my acrylic this day, so I just stuck with my size 8. That way I could have a little bit more control, smaller beads, you know, the whole stitch. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this process, and then I'll be back to interject for any reason. Okie dokie, it is your hostess with the mostest popping back in just to let you know that I'm placing down some large hex glitters that I got from a seller on Etsy, and also I'm going to be placing down a smaller, more finer glitter that is in various shades and sizes, and that is from World of Glitter, and it should be in the glitter type Ibiza. I can never say the name right, but I'll make sure to go ahead and put those in the video. That way y'all can know what I'm using. For the remaining nails that is not the ring finger, I'm going to be using a nude acrylic, and yes, I said nude, in the shade Bad and Bougie from Valentino, and we're just going to make a nice, smooth, luxurious ombre all down those glittery nails. Here is that Ibiza glitter that I was mentioning earlier, and we are just going to add this to all of the nails, you know, to give it that razzle dazzle, that pizzazz, dimension, if you will. I feel like you need this because this look is going to be extra, and it's going to make like the perfect base for like a super glittery, sparkly, fun background. So I'm just adding that to all 4 or 5 nails. I don't know how to count. Great. Yes, I graduated. Anywho, back to the nails. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. And I'm going to finish off this acrylic process and I'll be back with filing and shaping. Okay, I lied to y'all. I'm back now. I'm actually going to go ahead and clear cap my nails with Young Nails Core Clear. I know that this says Core Pink, but I lost my Core Clear container, so we're using the Core Pink to refill. Anyways, so I'm just hydrating the nail with some monomer and then laying down that clear acrylic. That way it has an easier time gliding down the nail. There's no bubbles and you'll have a smooth, nice application. All right, now I'll be back for filing and shaping. I'll never leave out an ASMR moment for y'all party peeps. Okay, here is the filing and shaping. Again, I'm using my Koopa Mani Passport Pro with a Pana nail drill bit from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead, refine my shape, take it in a little bit right before I go into my hand filing. And here I'm using an 80-100 grit nail file to go ahead and refine my shape and make it more smooth and even, because your girl don't always get that step, right away with the hand file, the nail drill. So we got to use some manual reinforcements, if you get what I'm saying. We're going to dust away any excess dust, spray it down with some alcohol, and then you can see a little reveal of how these nails are going to turn out once they're top coated. Wipe away that excess dust with a lint-free wipe to prepare us for the fun part, which are the crystals, the gems, the charms, the doodads, the knickknacks, if you will. And here I'm just going in with a nail buffer. I'm not really sure what grit this is, with some oil to try to smooth out my nail. I was just picking out some of my favorite charms. Here's a lion, here's another lion. I should probably throw in some tigers and bears in there, oh my. If y'all know that reference, y'all should be my bestie. And I'm just gonna use some daily charms. Stay Put Jelly in a Tube and the Honey Fam Diamond Stay Gel to put down these crystals, and a wax tool. My crystals are from Blue Street Crystals and maybe even my crystal idea. They're all Swarovski and or Serenity, but most of them are Serenity. And I put down this triangular charm on the middle finger, but I don't think I liked it. You see me, I'm observing it. So I took that John right off and decided to do something a little bit more simple because I didn't want it to overcrowd the nails. So I decided to do the middle two fingers a little bit more simple and embellish these stilettos to kind of give it a little bit more balance. I hope y'all can see how I felt like these were kind of Sailor Moon inspired, because I feel like some of the charms on my nails have a Sailor Moon type feel, and then we have iridescent glitters. How cute. I feel like the stiletto nails look like little wands a little bit. I don't know, maybe I'm going crazy, but I felt like this was a really cute look and it was really extra. You know, I love my extraness. Now I'm just putting down some caviar beads. These are from Amazon, and I'm smoothing out the edges of that stay put jelly because it can get a little thick, and whenever I put on my top coat, I don't want like thick, you know, thick edges just popping out. You know, we want a nice smooth surface. I'm now using the Model 1's matte gel top coat to go ahead and matte these bad boys out because I wanted to give it a certain effect to where all the crystals on the top could really have their moment to shine. Literally, because the nails are matte. But it's kind of crazy because this matte top coat really brought out the glitters in a certain way to where each individual glitter had their moment to shine, but not doing too much with being shiny, if that made any sense. And it really let the crystals stand out from its background as well. And we are going to revive the crystals on these nails with the Honey Fam Diamond Shine Finish, which is the step number 2 in addition to the diamond glue. And I'm just going to go over all the crystals and charms so we can bring out their brilliance, because, you know, after doing nails this whole time, your crystals might get a little cloudy. And we don't do cloudiness over here, hun. We're gonna have that extra boost of shine. So if you guys don't have this already, please get it. This is not sponsored. I just really like this product and also the diamond glue. And here are the finished nails. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys gave it a like, a comment, and a share, and also subscribe again if you have not. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, I have me popping these nails off because we use Macart peel off base coat. And personally, I don't keep my nails on because of everyday life and also the type of job that I do. So unfortunately, I can't keep these beauties on, but I hope you guys enjoy this little ASMR pop-off session.